Welcome to the 2014 Plateau TS by Pleasure-Way. My name is Phil Nickel. I've been with Pleasure-Way for 27 years, from warranty to building to service, and I will give you a brief orientation walkthrough of your 2014 Plateau TS. This motorhome has been very similar since 2007 all the way up to 2014. We're going to go over the basics of the motorhome so that you have a full understanding of what you are working with on your motorhome. The first area that we are going to cover is underneath your hood. Underneath your hood, there are a couple of points that you need to know. The actual battery underneath your hood is your auxiliary battery. That is a 100 amp hour battery made by Johnson Controls. It also may be an interstate battery underneath your hood. And it is a deep cycle or multi-purpose battery that powers the 12-volt system inside your vehicle. Another area to look at underneath the hood of the vehicle is where do you boost this vehicle if the auxiliary battery is underneath the hood. The boosting points are the positive boosting points is right here. You just simply slide that back and hook your cable, positive cable, right onto that point. Your negative cable comes over and hooks on to the brass post that is just above your auxiliary battery. The Mercedes vehicle battery is underneath the floor on the driver's side, right in front of the driver's seat. 2007 to 2014 Plateau, you have a locking fuel cap that when the driver door is shut, the fuel cap is also locked. So simply open up your driver door, open up your fuel door, and remove your cap to fill your diesel fuel. When maintaining your vehicle, you want to ensure that you have proper tire pressures on your vehicle. If you're unsure where to find the tire pressures, they are inside your driver door. The label is affixed to the driver door pillar, and you will notice there is the Mercedes Benz label and also the Pleasure-Way label, which gives you your tire inflation pressures. Right next to your fuel fill door is your utility shower. You'll need your 751 utility key to open this compartment. Simply open, unlock. This allows you access to your utility shower. You simply pull your hose out of the compartment. You have hot and cold running water at this point, and that will feed your shower head, and you can simply use that as a regular shower outside your coach. To store it, just simply tuck the hose back in, store your shower wand, close up your compartment, and once again lock it before you leave your campsite. Next to your utility shower is your utility center. This is the lifeblood of your motorhome, as it houses all of your important attachments to your vehicle. In this compartment, you will find your LP gas switch. This will turn off and on your LP gas for your appliances, for your water heater, for your cooktop, for your refrigerator, and any other LP appliances that are in the vehicle. You have your city water hookup. Simply hook on a regular garden hose onto the city park water, and this will actually pressurize the inside of your coach, so you do not need to use your water pump to pressurize the inside of your coach. There is also the park cable hookup. If you are in a park that has cable, you can simply hook onto there and watch cable on your interior television. And last but not least, this is your 30 amp 120 volt power cord connection. This is the power center for your vehicle. This will power your converter and also all of your 120 volt plugs that are inside. You will find a yellow 30 amp power cord located underneath the rear sofa at the back of your vehicle. And this is a Marine-Co cord that simply plugs in, locks into place, and for additional security, you can turn and lock the black locking nut on. That way, if somebody does trip over this cord coming through, they will not unplug your coach. Okay, next to your utility center is your water heater. This is the outside vent door of your water heater. Ensure that you do not block the vent areas. If the vent areas are blocked, your water heater will not function properly. So simply, inside your water heater, we will simply turn and unlock the door. Take the water heater cover off. Inside your water heater, you have your pressure release valve. This is often what I use to check to make sure that there is water in my water heater. I just simply pull this up, and if water runs out, I know that my water heater is full, and then it would be safe to turn on the switch inside the vehicle. Also on your water heater, right at the very bottom, is your anode rod. Many people ask about the anode rod. The anode rod is a rod designed specifically to take the mineral and mineral deposits out of your water heater so that they do not coat the inside of the water heater. This rod will be eaten away by the mineral deposits and will need to be replaced depending on your water and the mineral deposits in your water. This is removed with a 1 1/16 inch socket, and this is also how you drain your water heater. Also, if your water heater is not functioning and you are wondering what could be the problem, the first place to check is the reset button for your water heater, and this will simply reset your water heater. Say you have not filled your water heater and turned your water heater on, often it will trip this breaker. So may ensure your water heater is full, reset the breaker, then turn the switch back on inside the vehicle. Next to your water heater vent, you will notice a small silver vent. This is your furnace vent. If you are using your furnace, you have to ensure that this area as well is not blocked with debris or any other trees or anything like that. It is essential for the proper and efficient use of your furnace. Next to the furnace vent, you will see two large vents. These are your access vents to your refrigerator. You will notice there will be heat released from the top vent, and this is very common as the type of refrigerator that we are using works on a heat basis to cool the inside of the fridge. Ensure that both these vents are not blocked by any debris, trees, or any other obstacles in your campsite. The lower fridge vent, when removed, will give you access into the working electronics of the refrigerator. This is often how the technicians will access your refrigerator. Directly below your utility shower down on your running board is your sewer dump area. This small door encloses your sewer dump cap, your sewer hose, your black water dump, and your gray water dump. This is a very simple function. Gravity never fails, and gravity is the best way to take your sewer out of your vehicle. Simply remove your cap, remove your sewer hose from the pipe, attach your sewer hose onto the bayonet attachments, pull your black water handle first, allowing your black water to dump through the hose, close off your black water, then pull your gray water handle, allowing the gray water to flush the black water through your sewer hose. Once this is complete, at most campgrounds or sanitary dump stations, you can remove your sewer hose and flush your sewer hose just with the regular garden hose before restoring into the sewer tube. To fill your propane or LP tank, your fill valve is located at the back of the vehicle, right next to the spare tire carrier. Simply remove the yellow cap, attach your propane, and open up your bleeder valve to allow your propane to fill that tank. It is recommended that you do not fill your propane tank any more than 80%. Check your monitor panel inside your vehicle for your LP level. It is recommended that you have a propane professional fill your propane tank. In many areas, they have propane at pumps, and they have a professional that will do that for you. If you ever run into a situation where you need to lower or change your spare tire, your utilities for your spare tire, which is the jack and the wrenches necessary, are actually underneath the passenger floorboard. Simply just bring down the mat, give this a half turn, and open up your utility center that is underneath the passenger's feet. In the passenger's feet area, you will notice you've got your jack tool bag, you've got your jack, and everything needed to change or lower the spare tire at the back. I'm removing the 15/16 inch wrench that is needed to lower the spare tire at the back of the vehicle. To release your spare tire cover, you're going to use the number 602 key. Simply insert, turn, and release. Release the clip, unclip it from the retaining strap, and release the chrome ring from around your spare tire cover. Once the chrome ring is removed, then remove the plastic tire cover. Remove it and unplug your wiring harness simply by undoing the clip to release the plug. Remove the entire plastic cover. Using your 15/16" wrench, which we retrieved from the toolkit underneath the passenger floorboard, release the locking nut. Loosen this off, do not remove it. Secondly, pull the pin on your retaining pin and release the safety clip to lower your spare tire. Push up slightly on the tire to release the pin and slide the pin out. Now you're free to lower your tire to the ground. To undo your spare tire, simply loosen off the 15/16" nuts, all three. Then you are free to lift the tire and take it off the tire mount. Once you have changed your tire, as recommended by Mercedes Benz, then you can return your flat tire to this area, secure it onto the retaining bolts, and reverse the process. Once again, with the tire carrier down, you're free to open up both rear doors to a full open position. Open up your passenger rear door first. Then, using the inside handle, you're free to open up your driver rear door. And this door can be fully extended and fully opened by simply releasing the stop, locking it in position into the door, and this will fully open to a full extent. The same thing is true on the passenger rear door. Release the stop and fully open it to the side of the vehicle. Let's move around to the passenger side of the vehicle. On the passenger side of the vehicle at the rear, you will notice the 110-volt plug at the rear of the vehicle. This 110-volt plug will only operate if you are plugged into shore power or running off a generator power. This plug is also controlled by a GFI that will be found in the bathroom area. Midway along the passenger side, just behind the rear sliding door, you will find your potable water fill. The potable water fill is opened with the 751 key, and this is where you would fill your onboard freshwater holding tank. You will notice that the cap will be removed and just a regular garden hose, and you can fill your onboard water tank, which is right underneath the running board on the passenger side. To drain your fresh water tank, which is right basically directly below where you have filled your potable water, there is a low point drain for your fresh water tank right on the edge of the water tank. Simply turn it 90 degrees and it will drain your fresh water tank. Also, just above this drain are two low point drains. These are brass petcocks, which you can open up, which will drain your hot and cold water lines. Your vehicle is equipped with a 13-foot Carefree awning. It is a motorized awning. The switch is located either on the kitchen end gable or on the side of your passenger seat base. It is recommended that the door be closed, the large sliding door be closed when you are extending and retracting your awning, as wind or various other things may cause the awning to dip and rub on the top of the door. So simply push your button out and the awning will extend automatically. Allow your awning to extend. To release your awning leg, simply pull down on the orange tab. This will release your awning leg. At the foot end of the awning leg, simply slide it in, release it from the retaining clip. This will allow you to lower the legs to your awning. Once you have your awning legs in place, remember to lock in your retaining clip. This will ensure your pitch and the stability of your awning. You can either peg these legs into the ground, or you can move your legs back and attach them to the side of your coach through the awning brackets. Set the lower leg in first, allow the roller pin to roll down, and this locks the awning leg into place. With your side sliding door open, you have access to your fire extinguisher. This is so that you have access in your campsite and also to get inside your coach. A couple additional safety features that are in your vehicle is the smoke detector located at the highest point on the roof. This is powered by a 9-volt battery, which should be checked regularly. On this model, you simply just pull the smoke detector down, which gives you the access to the 9-volt battery. In some cases, your smoke detector will twist and come off the ceiling. We also have an LP gas detector and CO2 detector located near the floor of the vehicle on the rear driver's side ottoman. Also has a test button on it. This should be tested regularly. Just simply push the button in, it will alarm and then reset itself. Please refer to your owner's manual for replacement times and also test procedures. Kitchen upper end gable covers a number of different switches in your vehicle. You will notice that the Awning generator off-on switch, as well as the hour meter. Remember, to start your Awning generator, you also must have your LP gas on for the generator to start. It covers your monitor panel, where you will see you've got all of your tank monitors, your LP tank, and your battery. On that panel as well is your water pump switch to turn off and on your water pump if you are not hooked onto city water, and your water heater switch to turn on your water heater so that you can have hot water in your camper. It also covers 2 of the main light switches for the vehicle, the kitchen light and also the main cabin light for the center of your vehicle. On the lower kitchen end gable, you will also find 2 light switches. One is your porch light for outside, and one is your main entrance light for inside the vehicle. We are now going to go through the basic electrical on the vehicle. Starting at the driver rear ottoman, this is a power control center for your vehicle, especially on the DC side. You will notice you've got a red key disconnect in the small door on the ottoman. You also have terminal connectors. These are actually manual reset breakers for different components in the vehicle. There will be one for the converter, one for the refrigerator, one for your power sofa, and one for your generator located in this area. The manual resets are a small black tab that are on the copper post end of the breaker. The 12-volt disconnect key, simply turn that off and remove when storing your vehicle. This disconnects the 12-volt DC power coming from your auxiliary battery. Next to the cabinet door that houses the red key disconnect, you'll see your main power source. This controls your converter for your 12-volt system and also your 110-volt breakers. To access the breakers and the fuses for your 110 and 12-volt systems, simply remove the door, and this will give you access to the 110 household breakers plus your 12-volt fuses. Let's next look at your theater system in your vehicle. Your vehicle is equipped with either a 19-inch up to a 22-inch TV and DVD system. Your TV and DVD system can operate off 110-volt power. This is supplied either by the 110-volt plug in the upper cabinet or by the 110 inverter. We've got a 400-watt inverter that when you are functioning off a 12-volt power, say driving down the road or dry camping, you can operate your TV and DVD system off your inverter. Simply turn on your inverter, and this will power your system on the 12-volt system. If you have shore power in the park where you're at, turn off your inverter, unplug your TV and DVD, and plug it into the wall socket just above the inverter. Also, if you are watching on regular antenna, there is an antenna booster switch up in this cabinet as well. Push the black button to turn on the green light. This indicates that your antenna booster is on. You can also function on park cable. If you are on park cable, turn off your antenna booster. This will allow the park cable to come into the vehicle. Your vehicle is equipped with a Winegard crank-up TV antenna, and this is a directional antenna. To simply crank your antenna up, fold down the handle, and crank the antenna up till it is in the full upright position. Then you can turn your antenna to bring in your best reception. Remember, when you're on your antenna, you do want to have your booster switch in the on position. Just above your TV, you will notice you've got your power sofa switch. This is to lay your bed flat or to raise your bed up into the sitting position, and it is a 12-volt power unit. Your red key disconnect will have to be on in order to operate this. Simply push your button to lay your sofa flat, or push the up button to bring the sofa up to the seating position. Also in this area, you'll notice you've got 2 light switches here. One is for the under cabinet lighting, and the other one is for your ceiling lighting in the back area. Just below that, you will notice you've got your thermostat for your furnace. To operate your furnace, ensure that you turn the thermostat switch on and bring up to the chosen temperature that you would like for your vehicle. Once again, to shut your thermostat off, bring your switch down and turn your thermostat off. You should hear a click as it disengages the furnace. Don't be alarmed if the furnace stays on for a short period of time, as the fan has a memory, will continue to run for a short period of time, then will shut down. To deploy your power sofa, to bring it up to meet the ottoman, simply push the switch that is just above, and you're going to push the down arrow to deploy your power sofa and lay it flat. Your power sofa will come in and meet your ottomans. To make the initial setup of your bed, a lot of people use this initial setup. They simply remove the backrests and sleep on this as 2 single beds, or you can make it up into a full-size bed. To make it up into the full-size queen-size bed, simply remove the support boards from your closet area. To insert your boards, simply lift one of the ottoman cushions up, slide that in, set the board on the maple block. Do the same with the second board. Lift your ottoman cushion, slide that board in, set it on the maple blocks, lock your cushion back into place, then bring in the backrest cushions, lay them between the 2 ottoman cushions to make the full-size queen-size bed. To set up your table, simply lock the 3 teeth of your table leg into the table floor base, set it down, give it a quarter turn, then screw the locking nut counterclockwise until it meets the table floor base. This will ensure a nice tight fit and a sturdy stand on your table leg. Then simply take your table, which is also found in the clothes closet, and set it down on top, pushing it down and locking it into place. Your vehicle is also equipped with a pass-through storage door that will allow you access from the back door to pass through items to the interior of your coach. This gives you access into the rear cargo area of your power sofa when you are camping. All upper cabinet doors can be adjusted for tension for the door prop by simply turning the Allen screw in the middle of the door prop. This will allow the door to stay open when you open your door, and you can have more pressure on it to keep the door up. These will have to be adjusted on occasion, and this can be adjusted by the owner. Your vehicle is also equipped with 11,000 BTU roof air conditioner. The controls for this air conditioner are mounted right on the inside shroud, which is also the ducting for the air conditioner. You will have a temperature switch as well as your off-on switch. You can also run this air conditioner just on fan and have fan coming into your vehicle. Your air conditioner is also equipped with filters. Just simply pull them out and keep them clean for optimum use of your air conditioner. Your rooftop air conditioner will operate off of your shore power or off of your generator. However, when using your generator, please be aware that there is a limited amount of power, and you will only be able to use your air conditioner if you are not using your microwave. If you want to use your microwave, then turn off your air conditioner and then use your microwave. Your vehicle is equipped with either a microwave oven or the Sharp convection oven. The Sharp convection oven and your microwave oven are both 110-volt appliances and will only operate if you are on generator or on shore power. Please follow the instructions on the microwave and in the microwave manual for proper cooking instructions. Your vehicle is equipped with a 6 cubic foot 2-door refrigerator, and separate freezer section. This is a 3-way fridge which operates off your LP gas, your AC or 110-volt power, and also your 12-volt system for traveling down the road. Simply set your fridge to auto. It will find the best available power source for your refrigerator. Your vehicle is equipped with a 2-burner SMEV stove. This has a glass cooktop cover. Ensure your burners are fully cool before you close this cover. Simply to use your stove cooktop, turn your gas on and turn your burner over to light. Simply strike your burner and it should ignite. You may have to strike several times before the burner will ignite. Then you can choose your heat setting, either high or low on your stove. Your plateau also has a stainless steel sink located in the kitchen area. It comes with a Corian countertop cover that covers over top of your kitchen sink. Simply remove this cover to use your kitchen sink. A single handle faucet is also in your kitchen area. Simply lift the handle, set to the desired temperature that you would like your water running into your kitchen sink. This is a deep stainless steel sink with a small strainer basket at the bottom. In the kitchen area, you also have one 110 volt outlet. This 110 volt outlet is controlled by the GFI in the bathroom area. Your vehicle is equipped with additional countertop area. The countertop area can be extended by using the flip-up countertop shelf on the passenger side. Simply slide your ottoman cushion back and bring up your flip-up countertop extension. This also acts as a nightstand or a TV tray while you're entertaining in the rear of your vehicle. To release your flip-up countertop extension, simply reach under, feel the two brackets, push up on the ends, and this will release your countertop extension and allow you to fold it back into position. Your water pump is located in your bathroom vanity. Your water pump is a 12-volt appliance, works off of your battery. Your water pump supplies water to your system when you are not hooked onto city water, onto the city water connection outside of your vehicle. This water pump will try to maintain a line pressure of 30 psi throughout all your taps and your water fixtures. Essential to your water pump is the filter system. Ensure that this filter is clean so that you have a good flow of water from your holding tank through the filter into your water pump. Simply unscrew your filter and ensure that your filter is clean. Once again, when you put it back, make sure that you are threading it correctly in and make sure this filter is tight so that there is no air draw through your water pump. You also have a ground fault plug on your vanity face. This ground fault plug will trip if water is in or if you have a ground fault situation. This plug should also be tested regularly. Simply push the test button. You will notice that the light is on. To reset, hit the reset button, the light will go off. When the ground fault is tripped, the light will be on. This ground fault plug controls the kitchen plug, the fridge plug, and your outside plug. At your sink, you will notice you've got hot and cold running water, as well as a shower hose hooked onto your sink. You can use either the water in the basement, or you are sitting in a wet bath that has a shower curtain that folds right around, a shower curtain that comes over the window. To use your shower, simply remove it from the holder, uncoil the hose, and bring the shower hose into the vehicle. Get your desired temperature at your sink, then simply pull up on the diverter and it will put water through your shower head. Release the main shower curtain from the corner by unsnapping it, sliding your shower curtain around, and velcroing your shower curtain to the side wall. You have an Aquamagic porcelain toilet in your vehicle. This is a foot flush toilet. You can add water to the bowl by simply pushing the toilet foot flush down without opening up the trap at the bottom. To fully flush your toilet, push the foot flush all the way down. This will empty the toilet bowl contents into your black water holding tank, which is directly below your toilet. Your vehicle is equipped with a 12-volt exhaust fan. This is the Fantastic fan, which will exhaust this coach in just a few minutes. It is recommended that you run your exhaust fan when you are showering or cooking so that it will draw any air and moisture out of your vehicle. This fan is strictly an exhaust fan. To turn it on, simply turn the button to the desired speed. You also have temperature sensing switch. Set it to the desired temperature inside. Your Fantastic fan will cut in and cut out at that desired temperature. To rotate your passenger seat, simply slide your seat into a central location. Release the handle that is at the back of the passenger seat, swivel with the backrest out, and you can bring your passenger seat right around. It will lock into position once you get fully around, And feel free to slide the seat back, giving you the most access for legs in the aisle space. For the driver's seat, just simply slide your seat again to a central location, release the knob at the back, and swivel with the backrest out. The limiting factor on the driver's seat will be your bathroom wall. The 2014 Mercedes Benz has ample storage in all door panels. For example, they've got storage compartment. This one is featuring a first aid kit in the passenger side door, as well as ample storage in the door panel itself with the drink holder, your speaker in the door. On the driver's side, the Mercedes-Benz also has a large storage compartment, drink holder, and as well storage in the side door panel itself. This one is featuring an emergency flashing flashlight. Your Mercedes-Benz vehicle has two basic fuse panels. Check your Mercedes-Benz manual to see what fuses are for what appliances. If you zip up your driver's side seat skirt, you will find your fuse door just underneath your driver's side seat skirt. This is fuses for the Mercedes-Benz operating system. Mercedes-Benz has a second fuse panel located just next to your driver's side brake pedal, and this is the additional Mercedes-Benz fuse panel, and also this is where you would read for a scan tool. Mercedes-Benz also features a convenient battery disconnect. This is a battery disconnect for your engine starting battery. When you're placing your vehicle in storage, simply disconnect your battery by pulling off the quick disconnect beside your gas pedal. The 2014 Mercedes-Benz chassis, we are using the Mercedes-Benz navigation system, Mercedes-Benz backup camera, the Mercedes-Benz lane assist, and the Mercedes-Benz accident prevent. All of these features come included on this vehicle for 2014 on the 2014 chassis. Let's just go over some of the features. In your radio display, you have your Bluetooth connectivity that you can connect your cellular phone to the navigation system. As well, in your glove box, you have a navigation system that is a plug-in, and you can take it out and reprogram it and bring it up to date. You also have your convenient backup camera. When you shift into reverse, your backup camera will appear with the marking distance, and it gives you a full view of the rear of the vehicle. Some of the standard features on your vehicle is your rear defog, your air conditioner. You can set your temperature and set your fan speed, as well as air conditioning, direction of your blower. This is an engine preheat, which will assist you for preheating your cabin area. As well, you have your lane assist off and on. You have your power door lock switch for all door lock, and as well as you can turn on your ASR and turn off your ASR, and you can also turn off your lane assist at this point. Next to your driver's seat, you have your parking brake. Your parking brake, just simply pull up to engage your parking brake. To release your parking brake, lift up on the handle, push the thumb latch, let it down. One thing to be aware of is you can have your parking brake all the way up. If somebody accidentally pushes down the handle will go down. Simply bring up the handle, your parking brake is still engaged, lift on the handle to disengage and bring it back down. Your 2014 chassis also features a tilt feature as well as telescopic steering wheel. It is convenient as well as you've got your on steering wheel controls for your radio, for your telephone, and for the various systems on your dash. Some of the other features are auto on headlights. On your driver door panel, you have your power remote mirrors for the outside of the vehicle. As well, you've got other convenient options that are listed in your Mercedes-Benz book. Please read the Mercedes-Benz manual for any other information you are seeking on the Mercedes-Benz options. Thank you for watching the orientation for your 2014 Plateau TS. Please refer to your owner manual and owner manual package for any further information on your appliances and the equipment contained in your vehicle.